Good morning, guys. So it's Wednesday. This morning we're expecting the hurricane to land. So we're just asking everyone to keep us in prayers, and it's appearing as if it's going to be a serious one. So this is what it's looking like at the moment at 7 o'clock on Wednesday. Sky is looking like, you can see it's already dark. It's gonna be the real deal. So this is one of the times when everyone should take heed to the warning. You know, you always get that group that thinks it's not gonna happen, but I seriously think we're going. It's just a matter of how devastating it's gonna be. It's not a matter if, but when it's gonna come. So just leave these here for now. I'm gonna fill these up in a minute.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with those pipes?
I'm gonna put them low and turn over the wheelbarrow on top of them for a little weight. As the metal one's a bit heavy.
Okay.
But they're not gonna fit in the store, but all these need to come down.
So we're told that between 2 and 8 p.m. today, the storm would have touched down, and it will be exiting or leaving the island around 11 p.m. So they're saying if the storm makes a direct strike, it's going to be the first major hurricane since Gilbert. Finishing up the last minute stuff around the house. We didn't get a chance to because we were doing everyone else yesterday. So it's now 8 a.m. in the morning and we're just securing our property now. There's a few little pieces around the house.
Okay, preparing for the hurricane.
Oh.
Yeah, we do some things to prepare for the hurricane. Oh, there's not gonna be that much. We're getting a breakage of pipe, so. It. Yeah.
Oh no, wait, look.
It look like it got hit, you know.
Them guys that will come cut the grass, them lot think you get an island.
Yeah, man, I do a pass through and double check.
It's now 9 o'clock. We're just gonna go on the road and just show you guys what it's like so far. It's for the most part on our side of the island in Trelawny, the north coast, it's moderate winds, I would say.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So just make sure how are you on your side?
They're not too good at the moment.
You serious? Exactly.
Alright guys, if you look behind me, I'm right by the seaside. If you look behind us, it's getting dark. And this is the sea over there.
Yeah.
I'll get you a close up. But yeah, up behind us. What is that? Oh, somebody burning something? I don't know.
I'm making preparations.
Yeah, so we'll just show you what the waves are like right now. I'll try and zoom in. Alright, so right ahead of us, it's looking really dark and almost looks like there's smoke, but I think it's like foggy.
They need to move a bit
Quicker.
quicker than this because
Maybe they're gonna leave these.
yeah.
Beach, I don't know if it's showing up on the screen, but it's a beautiful blue, greeny, turquoise color. The water's already started settling here,
Right.
which we've never seen before actually. It's gone all the way over there.
Yeah. So this is what it's currently looking like, guys, at 9:40. They have to run with it because they're gonna lose all that money that they're not gonna get back.
Yeah, so guys, it looks like they had a stage show on the beach last night, so they're trying to pack up now. But Andrew was just saying that if you put your money in, you've already invested, you know, you've got your flyers and all of that, you have to do what you have to do. So we're just gonna head back home now, and we have a few more neighbors that have contacted us and just wanted us to check over their place, so we're gonna go and do that now. There's another one.
Where?
Up there, so
Okay, that
I want next one to grow your son again. Sorry. The skies looking darker, baby. Yeah, we need to go. Last minute preps.
Yeah.
We're just shutting the gates for them. The key was not there. The key wasn't left for the gate, so we're just using some binding wire to keep those gates shut so they don't fly off. But we need to get that banana, babes.
Yeah.
Mash it, man.
Yeah, man.
You're at it again.
Yep.
You're the banana, man.
Round two.
Round two.
This time.
Time you don't have to work so hard. Oh, one chop and it done. Oh, we got the binding wire here.
Another Hannah banana. And sharing is caring, as I said it before.
All the doors are locked, eh?
Andrew would have to climb. Andrew would have to. My dress.
There's big rocks by the garden, by the pool.
Can take off that, put that on the floor, I think.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Look what this man have been doing. It's serious times, you know. Serious times. And you have. You're right.
Okay. We're over. Over